Hi friends, welcome to Kaizen Club. This is Anant, your trusted lean manufacturing implementation partner. And today we are going to try out something new. We are going to run a competition of Fivers through YouTube. I think we are one of the first companies to do a competition through YouTube. So the idea is we are going to share some pictures of one small improvement which we have done in many companies, and we request you to participate by implementing the same thing in your company and then send the pictures to us. So we will select 3 winners from these photographs and give them some special gifts. So this is how this particular competition is going to work. The task which we are going to implement through this particular video competition is tool rack or tool board. See, there are a lot of tools which people use for their missions and their assembly activities and their processes. In Fivers, under second years, we say set in order. Each and every tool which is regularly used by the team members, it has to be stored in a specific location. Generally, we have a tool board for that, and all the tools are stored in that particular tool rack. And in this particular video, we want to create the tool board in your company. The first image is from one of India's largest spinning mills based in Virudhunagar, and here you can see the before pictures, all the tools, the spanners, cutting pliers, the different tools are stored in a very random fashion. But on the other side, the after pictures, they are all stored properly in a tool board. The next picture also is similar. This is from one of India's largest wind turbine manufacturing company where we have worked on implementing Fivers. So here also, if you see, the tools are in a very random manner. Second picture, there is a tool storage area which is created by the team. Each and every tool is located in a specific area. And in the third image, if you see, this is from one of India's largest automobile service center network. And here also, if you see, the tools and the pliers and their adhesives and the stickers are all stored in a random manner. And in the next image, the after picture, they are all properly stored in a specific location. So the idea is you will have a before picture, and then you will implement a similar tool board or a tool rack in your company and take the after picture and send it to us. So how to participate in the competition? Select one section in your company where a lot of tools are used. That place may or may not have a tool board. Right? In case they don't have a tool board, please create a tool board or a tool rack. So the task is take a before picture and then implement a tool rack or tool board similar to this, and then take an after picture and send both the before and after picture to us. The email ID is mentioned, hello@hashllp.com, and then we will select 3 winners from the participants, and those 3 winners will get our flagship program called Manufacturing Leadership Program for free. And the last date for sending the pictures will be 30th April 2025 before 6 p.m. Indian time. Send the pictures to hello@hashllp.com. Mention the Fivers competition YouTube in the subject, and then indicate your name, company name, location and phone number in the mail. You can also indicate the date of pictures, that is before picture, under that you put a date, and then after picture also you can indicate the date on which the implementation was done. You can also include the person who has implemented this, right? The employee or the worker who has done this activity. Please give their names also in the email. So this is the competition. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please send your entries to hello@hashllp.com. I'll see you in the next video. See you. Bye-bye.